I will be showing you how you connect to WhatsApp website through the browser and chat with anyone like you do on a phone. When we open WhatsApp, this is the screen we land on. We need to click the three-dotted More option. From the drop-down menu, we need to click Link Devices, which will enable us to connect to WhatsApp on the web. And in this screen, we need to click this green button, Link a Device. We will be prompted to unlock the screen first. Next, we have the scanning screen, where we need to scan a QR code on WhatsApp website, which is WhatsApp for Web. You can see the link for the website on the screen. We have added the link in the description section of this video. We need to point the phone camera to the WhatsApp website QR code. As soon as we start scanning the QR code on the WhatsApp website, you can see our WhatsApp on phone is connected on the computer as well. We can chat and message our friends, share any image or video file like we do regularly on our phone, in the web-based WhatsApp as well. I am hoping this content was of help to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get new updates when I add more tutorial content like this.